In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alert on Schwab. If you want to track a stock without constantly watching the screen, price alerts are your best friend. I'll show you how to set them up on the Schwab website using a PC, so you'll get notified the moment your stock hits a level you care about. First, head to the Schwab website and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official site and using a secure connection. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page for the profile menu. Hover over Profile, click Alerts, and then open Securities Alerts. This is where you'll manage alerts for individual stocks. Next, enter the stock you want to track. In the symbol field, type the ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. If you're unsure of the symbol, you can look it up in Schwab's search bar first, then return here and paste it in to avoid mistakes. Now set the alert. Choose Price and Volume Alerts, then define what should trigger the alert. Set a target price, for example, $150, and choose the direction. Select At or Above if you want to be notified when the price reaches or rises above your target, which is helpful when you're considering selling or taking profits. Choose At or Below if you want a heads up when the price falls to your target, which is useful for potential buy opportunities or risk monitoring. Schwab also lets you customize whether the trigger is based on a specific price or a percentage move, so you can say, for example, alert me if it drops 5%. That flexibility helps match alerts to your strategy. Choose how you want to be notified. You can pick email, SMS, or mobile notifications. Select the method you check most reliably so you don't miss timely alerts. If you use the mobile app, make sure notifications are allowed on your device. When everything looks right, click Save. Your alert is now active. Keep in mind, alerts are notifications only. They don't execute trades. If you want an order to fill automatically at a price, you'll need to place a limit or stop order separately. To review or manage alerts later, go to Profile and select Stock Alerts. There you'll see your active alerts, any that have been triggered, and options to edit or delete them. If the market conditions change, you can quickly adjust your price or percentage thresholds so your alerts stay relevant. That's it. With these steps, you'll stay informed without constantly checking the screen, and you can respond faster when your stock reaches the levels that matter to you.